Hi, good morning. This is Sean Doyle at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. I'm going to do a quick video walkthrough of this beautiful 550 Galeon fly. Let's step on board. Very stylish boat, high windows, full length hull windows, gives you a lot of bright lighting. Hydraulic swim platform, chock's already installed. You do have a nice stairway which gives you easy access onto the platform at the sandbars. Full teak width throughout the cockpit. Do have a crew corridor down below. Very easy access. You can see Galeon definitely does not skimp on hardware. All stainless steel struts throughout the entire boat. Down below in the crew corridor we do have its own separate head. Sleeping for one down below very comfortably. Alright, let's step inside the cockpit. Nice L-shaped lounge seating here. Beautiful fiberglass table for entertaining. Sliding glass doors, which do convert, opens up a little bit to give you a little bit more in and outdoor feel. Let's step inside. First thing you notice, the beautiful, beautiful craftsmanship from the Galeons. You can expect that in all of our models. Beautiful countertops. Here's the galley. It's an aft galley too, so if you are a family who likes to entertain, this is your boat. More storages. Walking forward. Here's our salon. You see the custom embroidery on the upholstery. Beautiful design on your table. This table does convert into a high-low, so if you have a couple other people on board you weren't expecting, they can also lounge here. Here's your filler pad, actually sitting right here for us. You can see the color scheme Galeon's going with. Very, very neutral, very bright in here. A lot of lighting, natural lighting indeed from all the windows. Basically you have a 360-degree everywhere you look. Alright, let's step up to the helm. We have a dual seat here at the helm, very comfortable. Nice high back for you. Here's a little picture for you on the spec sheets. It's got the Volvo Penta D11s, bow and stern thruster. It's a very well appointed dash. All flush, all digital gauges. Alright, let's step down below. Forward we have your VIP. Once again, with all that craftsmanship, you can see the woodwork. Nice trim on it. Also, they've gone with the skylight above as well. Got his and hers, stand-up lockers on both sides. Here's your twin bed setup, which does convert with the filler pad into a full-size bed. Once again, full hanging lockers on both sides. Here's your day head with its own dedicated shower. Take a look at this door here. Look at the color scheme. Beautiful. Alright, let's step into the master bedroom. One or two steps down. Look at the walk-around room. It's a full beam master. So you have plenty of room to walk around and entertain down here. A nice little settee. You know, do some work. Just lounge and actually look out your side hole window and enjoy the day. Full hanging lockers here. I'm going to show you this one. This is massive. With nice LED lighting so you can see what you're getting into. LG TV. Right, nice recessed into the wall. Nice for the wife to put herself together. Let's look at the master bathroom. Its own separate shower. Nice mosaic tiles. Really, really beautiful. All right, well, let's get you guys up on the fly bridge. That's my personal favorite part. All right, let's head upstairs. We'll start over here on the port side. You have your electric Kenyan grill.